Hey, what's up, everybody? Man, I just put my diffuser on from, I can never say his name, Condor. I think I said it right. Man, it took me almost like 3 hours to do. I saw a lot of videos how to do it. It was pretty fun, pretty easy. You do have to cut a lot, but I'll show you how I did it. On already? I had to cut here a little bit because my thing was a little slanted. I put it there, the metal pipe, one of them. It's not going nowhere. I had to cut it here. See how it is? I cut it pretty good. So it could fit. I wanted to keep it. There it is. I hooked it up there. It goes up to my heat shield right there. But here's one of the holes. See, I made a hole here. I had to use a lot of heat gun right here to push this in. So I don't have a gap. See here, I had to push this in a little bit. Right here, I put the heat gun and then I pushed it in. It worked pretty good. Same here, heat gun, so it could follow really good.